Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Dee and we are making American instant ramen. If you're curious on how I make my own version, stay tuned and I'll show you how. It's gonna be really quick and simple. Alright, so first things first, wash your hands and put your hair in a pony so we don't have hair all over the place. Hair is not a part of ingredient for our instant ramen. Okay, number one, what kind of ramen are you getting? Any type of ramen will do, but I went to my Asian market yesterday and I got myself this Suta spicy ramen because I love spicy things, and it's called Chewy Chewy. Well, I'll show you how to make your noodles really chewy. It's a matter of technique when we're cooking. Next would be our bacon. Typically I buy my bacon and cut them in 4 pieces and freeze them. Put a saran wrap in between because I always cook instant ramen. Ramen is an Asian comfort food, so anytime I feel low or lazy, actually, so most of the time I'm lazy, so I'm just going for a quick bowl of ramen. And another main ingredient, eggs, 1 or 2 eggs. Additional ingredients that are optional but will make your ramen look delicious and beautiful. Of course, you want it to look Instagrammable, right? And so we have ourselves Naruto fish cake, and you know that anime Naruto, right? There's a story behind that, the spiral, but you know what? Another video. Quick and easy. Just slice it up and add it to your noodles. That's another option. This is probably like $2 or $3, and your enoki mushrooms, they look really beautiful. I paid like $3 for this one, and you can, this will serve like 5 people. Next would be your shiitake mushrooms. This one's all, I soak this for like 30 minutes, so it should be ready when we start cooking. I know, like, ramen, you don't typically add green or red bell peppers, but again, Instagrammable, right? It looks really nice with the red color. Also, your nori or your seaweed. This is a snack version, and I take this to work every day, but you know what? Another thing to make it look beautiful. What else? Oh yeah, this is the furikake. I don't know how to say it, but I think that's how you say it. It's this rice seasoning. It's got a lot of things in it, and every time I eat rice, I would just like sprinkle it there because it's really, really good, and it's probably like $2 at your Asian store. It's called furikake. I'll link it down below. All right, I think that's it. Also, if you feel like having, like, if it's too spicy for you, I like to add like a slice of cheese because that would neutralize the taste of, or the spiciness of things. So here we go, let's start. So the bacon is frozen, so let's start boiling, thawing them out like this. It's really fast, and you know what, you don't have to do this portion here if you've thawed out your bacon properly, but I'm in a rush, so I just took them out from the fridge. Okay, after soaking your shiitake mushrooms for 30 minutes, drain and squeeze the water out, and then we're gonna start cutting them. Yes, I cut my mushrooms and the other ingredients because I don't like using knife and I don't want to wash my knife today. Yeah, you can choose how big your mushrooms or how wide you want them to be. We'll grab our enoki mushrooms, cut at least 2 inches away from the roots like that, and start spreading them out so it would be easier for you to rinse out, or quick rinse, not wash, or else it'll be really soggy. Same as your green onions. What I typically do is that when I buy green onions, I put them in a little cup right there and let it grow for a few days instead of putting it in the fridge because it's crunchier that way. Oh, look at that, bacon almost cooking. Make sure that the other side is brown and the other side is chewy. It's almost there. Okay, as you can see, the other side is already brown. This is perfect. We can take it out from the fire. I mean, there's no fire here, it's an electric stove, but yeah, you know what I mean. Don't dump the oil. Add in your shiitake mushrooms. It cooks really fast, like 1 to 2 minutes. And yeah, look at that gooey goodness from the bacon fat. So if you don't have a measuring cup, oops, sorry about that. Typically the noodle wrapper can be your measuring cup, and it's approximately, oops, let me fish out some of that mushroom there. Yeah, the wrapper, you can use it as your measuring cup, an estimated measuring cup. Bring it to boil, add your ramen, keep the heat on high, start flipping, try to make sure you submerge it in water so it will start separating and it's not gonna stick. I try to flip them every so often so to aerate and bring air. It helps with the chewiness. So this is the secret to a chewy instant ramen: constant flipping. Don't worry, folks. It's only 1 to 2 minutes, and your ramen will be cooked fast. So like that. Add half of the package, depending on your spice tolerance. Once it's almost cooked, because this way then the ramen can start absorbing the salt and spice from your seasoning. And we're just 1 minute away from fishing our noodles out and start dishing. Looks good, al dente. Get a nice bowl from Goodwill or Value Village, because plating is important. There you go. Fish out all your noodles. Look at that. Very nice. And then we're going to arrange our noodles like how you see in other videos. Put them in the middle. Naruto. This is already cooked fish cake. It doesn't really taste anything. It doesn't taste fishy at all. You know, it's already cooked, so you just need to cut thinly. And we can add this once our noodles is done. At this point, we'll start poaching our egg, and this is the secret. Not boiling water, but hot water, like simmering water. Start swirling it around. You can poach your egg any way you like. It's your style, right? 2 minutes, and look at that beautiful egg, jiggly egg, and we are ready to plate. All right, get that little beautiful poached egg, put it in the middle. The ramen broth. That looks really legit for an instant ramen. That's right, folks. Looks really good right now. And we are gonna start decorating. Start the Naruto. It's already cooked, so you can just like start putting that on one side and grab your mushrooms. I'm not good at plating or making it look nice. It's not like I put makeup on my food or whatever. Crispy on the other side and chewy on the other side bacon, and we add it there, and you can add as much bacon as you want. Typically I would add more, but I'll get hate comments below, so I'll try to be moderate this time. Oh, you know what? I forgot to add the greens. I don't know what it's called on the instant ramen, but these are just dried vegetables and they cook really fast, so just dump it at somewhere. You can add this at any point after poaching the eggs. Just hide it. And then your shiitake mushrooms. Looks so good, you guys. Sesame seeds and also your furikake. It's a rice flavoring seasoning, but I put it in everything, like everything and anything. So this is our finished product. I am so excited. Our take on the American instant ramen. What made it American? Of course, the bacon and the poached egg. Don't ask me why. Anyways, let's go and dive in. Oh, let's try this soup first. Spicy. If you don't have to add the entire package or the packet, so you can, like I did, only half, but it's still really spicy and very delicious right now. All of these, the shiitake mushroom and your bacon, all of the juices, they all combine and they taste really, really good. So here comes the noodles. Nice and chewy. I like it. Let's try the egg. As you can see, the poached egg is perfect. That's a perfect poached egg for this ramen style. That's it, folks. Thank you so much for spending the time with me. Don't forget to hit the, oh, it's right here, the like button. Is it right here? And the subscribe button right here, and a ding notification bell right up there. See you next time.